In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to uninstall and reinstall a wireless network adapter driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed here at the start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on Device Manager. The moment you've clicked on it, you need to navigate here on this window called Device Manager, where it contains all of our drivers here in our Windows 11 PC. So first, since we're dealing with the uninstallation and the reinstallation of our wireless network, then by that we need to navigate here at this network adapters next to monitors. The moment you click on it, you need to click on this forward arrow key, and here you'll be able to see your wireless adapter driver. So by that, you need to make a right click and click on uninstall device. Before you click on uninstall to confirm the action, make sure that this box attempt to remove this driver or the driver for this device has been unchecked, meaning the box is blanked. Once done, click on uninstall. Okay? Once you have clicked on uninstall, if you want to uninstall the wireless network adapter, if your wireless is not working fine, then you would like to uninstall and reinstall it again, just click on uninstall. Once done, you need to navigate here at the top left corner. You can see their action and you need to go with scan for hardware changes. The moment you do it, you would be able to reinstall your computer again. Or you can simply close the window and restart your computer. So navigate here at the start and then you need to proceed to your power menu options, click on it and click on the restart option. And in that way, you would be able to successfully reinstall your wireless network adapter driver the moment you will relaunch your Windows 11 PC again. Okay? So that's it. Hopefully, these steps that help you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.